Good evening, everyone. I'm attorney Catherine Henry and wanted to do a very brief video update on here tonight to just make sure that everyone is directed to where the most up-to-date information and posts will be made. When I started this journey in the first week of April, trying to bring awareness and information to the people of the state of Michigan, I was posting everything right to my personal Facebook page. And so, in the several times I had been invited to various events and done speeches at, with various groups of people, I had been encouraging people, if they wanted to follow me on Facebook, to go ahead and friend or follow me. Hi, Bob. To friend or follow me right on my personal page. It became very overwhelming very quickly. I get thousands of notifications every day. I'm never going to see them all. I mean, it's like physically impossible. So what I decided to do was to go through our new page, the Restore Freedom with Catherine Henry, to go through that page. And that way, if there are questions that my volunteer team can help assist with, great, they can get those answers to you right away. If it's something that they can't help with, then they know how to reach me, or I can be plugged in to be able to get answers to you. So I wanted to make sure that those of you, because just this week alone, I want to say it's like another 300 people have followed my personal profile. That's totally fine, but I'm not doing all the updates through this profile anymore. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew where to find them. So in this post, I have a link to the Restore Freedom with Catherine Henry page. That page is where I do all the Facebook Lives from. I post there and then we share out from there. I haven't been sharing a ton of those to my personal page because when people comment on the personal page, they're assuming I'm going to be able to see it. And I don't necessarily think to go back and look at every single post, every few hours or every couple days to look to see if somebody else has commented. And the notifications themselves get buried in the thousands that I get. Same thing goes for tagging me. If you tag me in posts, there's probably at this point a 2% chance that I will ever see that tag. So if you need me to see something, you can connect with us through the Restore Freedom with Catherine Henry Facebook page, or better yet, go to our website and see if there's some way that clearly can either answer the question you have or can get us the information that we need. RestoreFreedomKH.com. RestoreFreedomKH.com. And again, that Facebook page is Restore Freedom with Catherine Henry. If you do the @ symbol when you're in Facebook, you can do @RestoreFreedomKH, I believe, is the location for that. So, okay, so basically, I just wanted to let you guys know how to reach me, but also to let you guys know that since many of you get notifications when I go live on this account, but you don't necessarily get notifications when I go live, and I've been doing all those updates through the Restore Freedom with Catherine Henry page, I wanted to let you know I'm about to go live on there and do question and answer on the court updates. I'm not necessarily doing petition updates, and I'm super hungry and need to have some dinner. But I wanted to let you know if you have questions about the legislature's lawsuit with the governor or the hearing that's coming up in the Supreme Court on September 2nd, I'm going to answer those questions for you and give you that brief update. So that's the Restore Freedom with Catherine Henry Facebook page. And for any of you who are used to or had enjoyed being able to get those notifications when I was going live from here, from my personal profile, go ahead and hit the like or follow button or whatever is available on the Restore Freedom with Catherine Henry page. That will definitely give you the same updates and let you know. It's also a little bit more interactive because, like I said, I have a team of people that are helping me with that. They're part of the Restore Freedom core group They are going to be the most up to date on any information. And like I said, if they don't have the answer, they can help me, alert me that I need to log in and I need to address that, or they might, have me write out the answer and I send it to them and they can post it. But we can get information to you a lot faster that way. I'm not ignoring anybody. So if you are Facebook tagging me or even commenting on these posts, I'm just not getting the notifications. Also, because it sounds like there's a few people still out there not hearing that I don't have Facebook Messenger. If you don't see that I have read a message from you, that means I haven't read it. Certainly Facebook Messenger. I haven't had Facebook Messenger for 3 months, Mike? 3 months. If you have sent me something on Facebook Messenger and I never responded, that means I never got it. Certainly it's been about at least 3 months since I haven't had Facebook Messenger, and I literally just don't have it. I can't get into it and access it. I can't see any messages. What's weird is that I have a brand new computer that I've been using, and I get the Windows 10 notifications that a message is there, but I can't actually see the whole conversation. I can't click on that notification and have it go anywhere. My Facebook Messenger is broken. So please, if you're trying to reach me or if you've sent me anything in the last few months, please know that I am not seeing it through Facebook Messenger. I quite frankly hate Facebook. So it hates me just as much. I really don't get the notifications. So please reach us through our Restore Freedom page or go to restorefreedomkh.com, and that's going to be the most up-to-date information. We have a whole frequently asked questions section on there, not just about the petition, but about all kinds of things. If you don't see a question answered that you have, there's a submit button. You can go ahead and submit a frequently asked question, and we'll be able to get those answered for you too. So I'm just checking to see if there's anything I needed to handle right now before I log out. So, yeah, I'm not, I don't see any questions right here. So again, guys, go ahead and go over to that other page. I'm going to give you all the updates and answer questions on there. And thanks so much for trying to stay involved and stay active and know what's going on in our great state of Michigan. Thanks, guys.